Map colors, these are tools that we use to fill an area with color. So how do you use them? You go back and forth and you color what you need. But what about these watercolor pencils? They look exactly the same. So we can use these to outline our drawings, fill in the areas with color, but there's one more phase that you need to know about these watercolor pencils. Watercolor pencils, water, paintbrush, and a drawing. These are the things that you need. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my colors over here on the side. First, let's do a test paper with my colors. I will use different pressures. Hard will look dark and soft will look lighter. Dipping the color in water, you're gonna see that you don't have to press as hard to make the color dark. Dab your paintbrush in water and run over the color. When dried, you will see what the color looks like at the end. Here's when two colors are next to each other. I'm gonna go ahead and run over these colors together. Time for phase one. I'm gonna go ahead and fill my apple with this light red color. I'm gonna do a portion of the apple and leave the center of the apple uncolored. Phase 2, outline the apple with a darker red with more pressure. Color the outline to the color 1 with your color 2. Let's go back and use color 2 a little bit darker. I'm going to make a shadow with my color 2 on the left side of the apple. Using brown to go along the shadow, I'm going to make sure I stay on the left side just to give it a little bit more darkness. Don't forget the stem. The blank spot on the apple is called the highlight. This is where the light is shining off of the apple. Fill this in with my orange color. Fill in the blank area from the color 1 to the orange. Also fill in any other spots. Use your dark red to go into your red. It's looking good right now. Phase 2, add water with your paintbrush along the side, starting with the brown shadow. Make sure to go in the direction of the curve of the apple. Start from outside and work your way on inside. Let's focus on the right side of the apple. You can see I'm doing long strokes and I'm taking my time. Just about done. To bring more attention to my shadow, I'm going to dip my red color pencil into the water, like I did with my color test. Medium stroke sketches bring your eyes to the shadow. This is going to give it a rich look. Not a bad looking apple. Watercolor pencils are very similar to map colors. We can outline our drawings, fill in the areas with color. The only phase that we're adding with watercolor pencils is water. We're using a paintbrush and the watercolor pencils. So go ahead and have fun with your paintbrush, your water, and your watercolor pencils.